What did you do to that one?
And then someone eat
Because
because they not come.
who will not come? Who will not come?
Only and the classmate.
Today is done na. Class is done na today. And then, see what you did, oh. See, oh my God. You know that I'm cleaning inside the school, and then, when I came, you tap on that one. No more na, oh. No more na, the okra is there na, oh. It's dying na, oh, the okra, oh. Why did you do that? Why did you do that? Huh?
Because they not still coming.
What?
They not still coming.
Today is done na, RR. School time is done today.
No. There's
Tomorrow
more.
again. Tomorrow again. Look at me. Look at me. Will you do that again? That's not even good. You know that? My angriness is in my head now. You know that that's not good. You know that that's not good, right? You know that that's not good.
Yeah.
And then,
We do that again.
we'll do that again?
No.
Okay. What will you say to me?
Sorry, Mom.
Are you sure?
Please, Mom.
You don't mean that? You don't mean that?
Yeah.
What will you say to me?
Sorry. Do that, Mom.
Okay.